Well, hi, I'm Hal Perry, and I just got a new roof from Restoration Roofing, and I got to tell you, it was a very pleasant experience compared to the other roofs I've had placed on at the other houses I've owned in the past. I'm not a wealthy man, but I've, through my life and with my wife, we've had, 4 houses, and we've put roofs on 3 of them. And this has been the best experience. The crew here was fantastic. They showed up on time, they were polite, they answered every question that I asked, and they didn't act like that I was an idiot for asking a question. When the crew got here to actually put the roof on, they obviously were experts. This was not the first roof they've ever put on. They had a fantastic leader in Jonathan and CJ, and the guys that were on the roof were quick, efficient, and just really polite. And that's really something you don't find in a lot of work crews working on houses. These guys were nice. They cleaned up beautifully. I'd like for them to come back and clean up after other events at my house. But they did a fantastic job. And of course, this is going to be a part of the testimonial that Restoration Roofing is probably not going to like, but they're not the cheapest. But I can tell you, they performed above expectations.